Tibet is a land with a deeply rooted identity, shaped by its language, its spiritual traditions, and its unique way of life. In March 2026, the People's Republic of China introduced the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law to be implemented on July 1st. Officially, it promotes national unity, but in practice, many observers are concerned about what it could mean for places like Tibet. This law reflects policies implemented since 2010. Its formal enactment provides a legal framework that may help justify policies often described as assimilation. By framing these measures in the language of law, it may seek to leverage the emphasis that free and democratic societies place on the rule of law. One of the most immediate impacts is on language. The law strongly promotes Mandarin as the primary language in education and public life. While Tibetan has been officially removed from university exams, it will therefore gradually become extinct, affecting how younger generations think in their native tongue. Religion is another area of concern. Tibetan Buddhism has always been central to Tibetan identity. Under this law, religious institutions are expected to align closely with state ideology, limiting how religion is taught and practiced. Beyond language and religion, there is a broader cultural shift toward a single national identity, often described as a shared Chinese identity. While unity can be positive, it may also reduce the space for distinct traditions and local ways of life that have existed for centuries. The law includes broad provisions against actions deemed undermining unity. These undefined terms could restrict how people express their cultural identity. Taken together, these changes suggest a deeper transformation, not necessarily sudden, but gradual, affecting language, religion, and culture. For Tibet, this raises an important question. How can a unique cultural identity be preserved within a system that increasingly emphasizes uniformity? The answer to that question will shape Tibet's future for generations to come.